Hey guys, this is a fun, quick video, simple recipe that you can do for yourself, your family, your friends. Also, if you guys have some holiday house guests coming over, this is a fun thing you can do, and everyone can pick and choose depending on their tastes. So check it out. I call this the main course salad. So basically what I do is I give everyone a plate of lettuce, different kind of mixture of lettuces, and then I put all these pretty things out on the table, different kind of veggies and cheese, some proteins, and then I usually have a grain that people can add to it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a quick salad dressing. Whenever you can, it makes such a big difference to make your own dressings, and don't be scared of it, it's so easy to do. And this is my basic one that I do. This is a minced garlic clove. To that, we're gonna squeeze half a lemon. And then we're gonna do a squirt of some mustard, Dijon mustard. I love this company, Organicville. This is not sponsored by them, but this is just a really nice mild Dijon. Okay, so here's a little trick. Damp dish towel. And then you wrap it around the bowl so that when we're whisking, it stays in place. Okay, so now you have a nice base and the bowl won't like fly around. Cool. So now what we're gonna do is whisk this. I like whisking everything besides the oil first. And now to this, we're gonna add half a cup of olive oil. You wanna continue whisking the whole time so that it emulsifies. Yeah, this is my favorite go-to dressing. I love it. I'll make a batch of this and keep it in the fridge. And every day for a week, I use it on my salads. It's so great. So now we're gonna add salt, fresh ground black pepper, and then I'll pour it in here and you guys will see how beautiful it is. So there are so many different kind of dressings you can do. This is literally just my go-to when I'm trying to get a quick dinner on the table. Okay, great. So now I'm just gonna pour it in here. So here's an example of you have 4 people at your table, have lettuce in each of their plates, and then each person can just pick and choose as they want. So let me take this one, for example. Feeling a little bit of steak. And then let's do some tomatoes. I have my Vitalite plant-based mozzarella cheese. Some basil, some fresh basil, which I love. A little broccoli. Let's get that iron in there. But you guys can put anything out that you want. You can put out quinoa, different kinds of cheeses, farro, pasta, noodles. You can do anything you want. And this is a main course salad because you add a warm grain to it. It just makes it feel really hearty and nutritious and satisfying. And so imagine you have all these people around the table and you guys are all mix and matching your own meals. It's so fun. And drizzle it with the dressing. And my meal is ready to go. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Nutritious. You can also prep all the stuff ahead of time. Just prep all this. If you know you have friends coming over, you got to get a quick dinner on the table or a meal on the table, just prep all the stuff ahead of time. Right before, do a quick reheat on your steak or your chicken or whatever your protein is. Quick reheat on the grain. Put everything out. And you're ready to go. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you guys like this video. Hopefully you can use some of these tips this holiday season with you and your family. I love showing you guys this stuff. Thanks so much for hanging out, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another video, and I'll see you guys soon.